let's go for number one. Yeah, and there it is. Let's discuss number one. Ta-da! Raising Holy Kids by Don Bosco. Number one, give your children ample liberty to jump, run, make din as much as they please. Gymnastics, music, declamation of poems, etc. Theatricals, hikes are very effective methods for getting discipline. They favor good living and good health. Ayan. Now, I asked the AI to interpret this for me. And it's so weird. Kasi ang interpretation niya dito sa sports, hindi naman sports or active lifestyle. Hindi naman sinabi. And this is what matters. The words matter talaga, no? Give them freedom to run, to jump, and make noise. In other words, bring them to places or allow them to do that. Mukhang sigurado naman ako, when you have kids of your own, you will bring them to the playground because that's almost every place na nowadays may mga playground na. Kung kaya playground kayo, meron siyang yard, laruan sana, no? But the thing that is different now, kung may teenager ka, you still need to do that. Bring them to sporting events where they can play. Okay, this is what we do. Tapos kung wala kang music teacher, kumuha na music teacher at encourage them to learn how to create music or even to sing. Kasi yung mga yan, may kasama silang habang nagsising, may kasama silang habang nagsusports. So they learn how to do discipline. They observe people na walang disiplina. They observe people na may disiplina. Tapos hikes, no? Hikes is outdoor work. Ang AI tawag talaga dyan, active lifestyle. Hikes is you help them get out of the house, get out of their gadgets, and then go out into nature and take hikes. And in our modern world, pwede ka na mag-hiking sa loob ng IKEA kasi nakakapagod talaga. I'm sure you can figure out other things. We do church visits, malalayong churches. Church, and it's not during Holy Week. It's really just a church visit. Okay? Discipline. Good health with a purpose, not just to move sa gym, no? Move ka lang na move habang nanonood ka ng useless na palabas. Ang gagawin mo sa mga bata, you teach them how to create music, and in my case, I teach them how to discern music. Ano yung discern? Yung lyrics. My classmates would say, I just like the beat. Pero Madonna, paglaki nila, the thing that goes in your brain, in your ear, no? Yan din especially in the way it was designed by mass media to help you, pinapound pa ulit-ulit sa utak mo. Every show we ever watch, laging merong tinatawag na fornication, also known as a man and a woman going to bed, they just met. Every show nowadays, no? So nagiging normal and people think it's normal, and nung 70s, which I grew up in the 70s, it became some sort of something to aspire to when I grow up. Because I was a child, no? I was watching that. Of course not alone, no? Kasi they were watching TV, they were letting me watch. Ay, ganun pala yun? Pwede pala yun? Ganun pala sa Amerika, eventually sa Philippines maging ganun. The ideas of fornication, also known as sex before marriage, no? In case hindi nyo alam yun, pumapasok yan. You need to teach the kids how to discern music, discern movies, discern books. Remember, Papa, most of the media we have today is evil. So, marami ka rin, we'll talk about that in a bit, and maybe later in another video, but you just don't know it because we're so programmed to watch out for the next show in Netflix, next show in Disney, when there's way too much other stuff that you can consume with your kids that is more better for become raising them as